In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in Microsoft Teams, which is a beginner's guide to getting started on Microsoft's powerful collaboration platform. Whether you're working on a small project or managing a large department, setting up a team in Microsoft Teams can streamline your communication and teamwork. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. If you have the Teams app installed on your computer, go ahead and launch it. Alternatively, you can access Teams via your browser by going to teams.microsoft.com. Once there, sign in with your Microsoft account. This could be a work, school, or personal account, depending on your setup and requirements. Now that you're logged in, look to the left-hand menu and click on the Teams icon. It's the one that looks like a pair of people. This is where you manage your teams and find existing ones. At the bottom of your teams list, you'll see the option to join or create a team. Go ahead and click that, and you'll be presented with a couple of different options. Since we're creating a new team, select Create a Team. Next, you'll have the opportunity to pick a team setup. Microsoft gives you a couple of choices here. You can start from scratch, which means you'll be starting fresh and building your team from the ground up. Alternatively, you can create a team based on an existing Microsoft 365 group or another team you've already set up. For simplicity and learning purposes, let's select from scratch. After choosing to start from scratch, it's time to decide on your team's privacy settings. This will determine who can find and join your team. You have two options here: private, which means only people you invite can join, making it ideal for focused teams or projects. Or you can choose public, which allows anyone in your organization to join, perfect for open collaboration. Choose the setting that makes sense for your needs. It's now time to name your team. Think about the purpose of your team and give it a fitting name. Something clear and descriptive like marketing team or Project Alpha could work well. You can also add an optional description to help explain the team's goals or the context it fits within your organization. With your team named, you'll likely want to add members right away. Simply type in the names or email addresses of those you wish to invite. As you add members, don't forget to assign roles. You can set yourself as the owner, which allows you to manage the team, and add others as members so they can participate in conversations.